In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Likert scale questions in KoboToolbox. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open the form builder and you want to click on this plus icon over here to add a question. And then you want to click on plus add question and select this one over here, which is rating, okay? So when you click on this, this is where you can basically create a Likert scale question. So, of course, depending on how you want to form this, it's going to be a bit different if you're doing a 5 or 7-point one, but I'm just going to do an example of a 5-point Likert scale. So here is where you basically put your statements or questions. I'm just going to double click it and I'm going to type I will subscribe to this channel, which of course you should. And then there we go. Here we're gonna make the Likert scale. I'm just gonna click on plus like 3 more times to actually get a 5-point scale, and then you have to just name these. So over here, the first one is gonna be strongly disagree. Okay, the second one is gonna be disagree. The third one is gonna be neutral, or whatever you want to put here. It's completely up to you. This one is going to be agree, and then strongly agree, okay? And just like this, you can leave all of this on automatic, and you can also hide this question or just name it question 1. If you want to hide it, you can go and just put a spacebar in here like that, and then go to preview form, and you'll see that it's going to be an exact Likert scale we were looking for. So it says I will subscribe to this channel, and then you can set I'm just going to do strongly agree, and you should too. So I'm going to click on validate, and as you can see, the form is valid. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.